In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the ICO calendar feature on CoinMarketCap to stay updated with the latest token sales. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, this tool will help you keep your finger on the pulse of the ever-evolving cryptocurrency market. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this feature. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the CoinMarketCap website. If you haven't already, sign into your account to access all the features available to registered users. Signing in ensures that you can personalize your browsing experience, and it may even allow for saving preferences for quicker access next time. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top menu bar on the homepage. Here, you'll see a range of options tailored to help you navigate different sections of the site. Hover your cursor over the Products option, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. Scrolling through this menu, you'll find various tools and resources that CoinMarketCap provides. Our focus today, however, is on the Calendars section. When you spot it, go ahead and click on ICO Calendar. Now that you've accessed the ICO Calendar page, what you'll see is a comprehensive overview of token sales. This page will provide you with valuable insights into the market's dynamics, featuring upcoming, ongoing, and completed ICOs. ICOs, or initial coin offerings, represent opportunities to invest in new cryptocurrency projects before they hit the broader market. Therefore, staying informed about these can be crucial for identifying promising prospects early on. As you delve deeper into the page, you'll find several tabs and filtering options available to help you tailor the information to your specific interests. The filters allow you to adjust the view according to the status, such as whether a sale is upcoming or ongoing, as well as select based on dates or the blockchain technology being used. This customizability ensures you can easily find ICOs that align with your investment goals or areas of interest. When you come across a token sale that piques your curiosity, simply click on it for a more detailed look. This will open up a new page showcasing all the essential information you'll need. Here, you'll discover crucial specifics such as the start and end dates of the ICO, funding details, and links to further resources like the project's official website or its white paper. Exploring these details can provide you with a deeper understanding of the project's potential, its mission, and the team behind it, helping you make more informed decisions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use CoinMarketCap's ICO calendar to stay abreast of the latest developments in the crypto world. Happy investing! And remember to always do your own research before making investment choices.